As its name implies, amidification is the production of amides. And what are some of the reactants that we use for this reaction? We start with a carboxylic acid. Here I'm using ethanoic acid. And I'm going to add an amine to it. Let's start with a very simple amine, the simplest amine, which is the precursor of any amine, ammonia. So here we have ethanoic acid, and we have ammonia. And if we want to get an amide, what's going to happen here? We need some heat. We need 100 degrees Celsius. We need a little bit of temperature to start the reaction as a catalyst. And again, like in previous reactions, one of these hydrogen atoms is going to go with the OH. And what are they going to produce? Water. Other than that, the only thing that happens is that the nitrogen is going to substitute the hydroxy group. And we're going to get the same group, but instead of hydroxy, we add N. Effectively producing what? As I said, water. And what is this molecule? This is an amide. It has the CO with the N. So this is called ethanamide. When we use other nitrogen compounds, like let's say primary amine, let's start with propanoic acid. And we're going to start with, let's say, methanamine. So propanoic acid, and we started with methanamine, and amine. We add those 100 degrees Celsius, we heat it up a little bit, and what's going to happen? Again, one of these two hydrogens that's floating here implicit is going to form my water molecule, and other than that, I redraw my carboxylic acid molecule, but instead of drawing the OH, I take the nitrogen and whatever is attached to the nitrogen and I reattach it here. What is the name of this compound? It's 1,2,3 propanamide. And at N we have methyl. N-methyl propanamide. So it's very simple. Let's recap. We start with a carboxylic acid. We add ammonia or any other amine or amine. We heat it up. We use a little bit of heat, 100 degrees Celsius as a catalyst. And we're going to get an amide in which the nitrogen group or the nitrogen compound substituted the OH group. And the OH group turned into a water molecule.